This is my strategy for making 30 YouTube shorts in less than 90 minutes to grow your business with video. I'm going to cover scripting, filming, editing, and a few golden rules to make sure your videos get millions of views instead of thousands. But first, let's start with some fundamentals. To grow a successful YouTube channel for your business, you need to address a specific problem, provide solutions with your product, and post consistent high-quality content. Using this exact method, we grew our Veed Studio channel to 130,000 subscribers, and we did that by finding specific video editing problems, providing solutions with our video editing software, and posting high quality content at least once a week. But as you might have guessed, there's a little more to it than that. We have an entire video team here at Veed with dedicated content creators and video editors who spend their whole week making videos. But when you're running your own business, it doesn't quite work like that. You're already the CEO, the sales team, and the marketing team all rolled up into one, and finding a really great video editor for your content is not only really difficult, but it's also pretty expensive. So what if I told you that you can batch create content that actually gets views in just 5 simple steps, and it only takes 90 minutes from your month? And because you can post these videos to Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube, that's more like 150 pieces of content in total. This method is all about working smarter, not harder, harnessing the power of AI to do the job of an entire content team. But first, you need to decide what you actually want to make videos about. I like to kick things off by making a list of around 5 to 10 relevant topics that I want to talk about in my videos, and then I head over to ChatGPT, and by using the new Canvas feature, I'm going to ask the AI to write me a full talking head script based on that list. And as you can see, it's gone ahead and written me a whole draft in just a few seconds, which I can now customize with some extra prompts. I always recommend refining any sort of AI script like this, and you can do that by asking for additional facts. You can ask it to elaborate on certain points, or just come up with more mind-blowing facts to add into your script. You can also ask it to change up the tone, add some lighter moments, and I'm also going to add some of my knowledge to this as well, just to add some extra value and personality. And I'm going to keep adding more and more detail until I have enough content to speak for around 30 minutes, and ChatGPT can tell me when I've reached that point as well. So we've now got a working script, and it's time to record. And no matter what anyone else says, you really don't need a professional looking setup like this to make high quality videos for social media, but still, there are some important basic fundamentals that you need to follow when it comes to recording. First things first, you're obviously going to need a camera, and these days any smartphone camera is going to be more than good enough for social media. Just make sure you're using the back camera and not the front camera, because that's going to give you the highest quality, and make sure you've toggled the settings to the highest possible resolution. Next, set yourself up somewhere with good lighting, and again, you don't need any professional gear to do this. A window is good enough to light your face. You'll then need a tripod to fix your camera in place. You just want to make sure your face is bright and clear in the center of the frame. And if there is one thing that I do recommend spending some money on, it's a decent microphone. Audio is one of those invisible, underrated things that really takes a video from feeling quite amateur into something much more professional. You could buy an expensive podcast mic like this that does a really good job, but honestly, you can spend much less and still get great results. You could pick up a lapel mic like this on Amazon very cheaply, which is going to get rid of some of that roomy, echoey sound from where you're recording. But don't worry if that's not possible for you, because you can actually change things like the audio quality with AI during the editing process. Later in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your audio recordings from something that sounds like this into something that sounds like this with just one click of a button. So next, you're going to want to hit record and record that entire script in one continuous take. Don't worry about making any mistakes or redoing any lines, because we're also going to use AI to remove those later on. And this is really where the magic starts, because we're going to take that 30-minute recording and turn it into 30 individual clips with AI. This sort of work is obviously a job that you could outsource to some sort of freelancer, but like I said before, this method I'm about to show you is not only faster, but it's also cheaper as well. And to be completely honest, in my experience, most freelancers on websites like Fiverr are using AI tools like this anyway, so you may as well cut out the middleman and do it yourself. I'm now going to upload my 30-minute recording to Veed Clips. This is an AI tool that analyzes all of the content in my recording and splits it up into short videos for social media automatically. You can access this feature through the Veed Pro plan, and whilst it's processing my clips, we can go through some of the settings. You can choose from either horizontal or vertical videos. I'm going to select vertical because I recorded mine that way, and to be honest, vertical video these days is the most versatile to post across multiple different platforms. You can choose your subtitle animation style from all of the different presets. You can choose your video goals, which I'm going to optimize for viral shorts because we want these videos to get lots of views. And finally, there's the maximum length, and if you're not too sure about what sort of length of video you want to use, just select auto, and that's going to give you a range of different selections in the results. Then in just a few minutes, you'll see a list of clips created from my recording, which I can now review one by one. one. And you'll see that every single one is complete with auto subtitles, video titles, and you even get ratings assessing each video's effectiveness. The AI also orders the video, starting with the one that it thinks is most likely to go viral based on the topic and the structure. So from here, we can either download the files ready to upload, or we can make them even better. The fact is that every vertical video algorithm on any social media platform looks for the exact same things when it comes to what a good video is. I talk about this all the time on my channel, but there are 2 golden rules that you have to follow if you want to go viral on YouTube Shorts, and it's the same on any other platform as well. You need your first 5 seconds to hook the viewer in, and you need the rest of your video to keep the audience engaged right until the end. And you can make sure that your shorts are following both of these rules with some simple editing techniques. By hitting the edit option next to any of the videos, you can open up the Veed editor and start making changes to your videos. This can be as simple as adding some branding like a logo or watermark to the corner of your videos, or you can make some more in-depth changes that make the algorithm love you. So let's start with that first 5 seconds, which needs to convince your viewers to stop scrolling through the feed and keep watching your video. This is as important as a YouTube title or thumbnail is to a longer video. It's how you let your viewers know what they're signing up for. So much like a thumbnail, you need your video hook to be very clear and very intriguing. You can do this by making sure the video topic is mentioned right at the start in as few words as possible. Now, this is much easier to plan for when you're reading off a specific video script, but it is also possible to achieve in podcast style recordings like this as well. Try to find sound bites from your recordings that grab attention. This could be an interesting question, it could be a mind-blowing fact, or just a controversial statement. Hopefully the AI would have done this job for you already, but you can go back through your recordings manually and find those clips for yourself. And the fact that we have animated subtitles added to the video already is also really great news for our hook, because even people watching the feed with the sound off will still know what the video is about. And speaking of sound, you can also use the one-click clean audio feature to turn any terrible recording into something that's much closer to studio quality. This AI gets rid of background noise as well, which can be a real lifesaver. And clarity of audio is also really important for golden rule number 2, which is audience retention. Obviously, this refers to the percentage of your video that the audience watches for. And the longer they watch, the more any platform is going to love your content and keep recommending it. Videos with a higher audience retention tend to stick to one main topic and be very tightly edited. So make sure your clip is only using the very best sections of the podcast. If there's any filler, any boring bits, you got to get rid of those right away. Another thing that really helps with the pacing of the video is adding some relevant background music. But one of my favorite ways to make videos more engaging to watch is by adding some additional footage or B-roll. And luckily, you don't need to record any of this yourself. You can use the Veed stock video library to add any relevant footage to your clip, listen to the audio from your recording, and find footage that helps to tell the story. So that is my blueprint for making the most engaging videos with the Veed Clips AI, and I'm going to work my way through that whole list and make those adjustments to every single one of these videos. It really doesn't take that long. Then it's time to schedule this content for the month. And no matter what platform you're posting to, it's always a great idea to put as much information as possible into the title, description, and tags. As I've already mentioned, the Clips AI has already suggested some titles for us which we can use. I like to keep my titles very short and snappy, but then fill the description and tags with as many relevant keywords and phrases as possible. You could do this manually by using a keyword research tool, or you can use ChatGPT to do that job for you. And just to prove to you that this method actually works, I also paid 3 freelancers on Fiverr to make me some viral shorts, putting them directly against this AI method. And you can see which one produced the best results right here.